Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Mundhra from Bikaner Polymers. In this video, we are introducing our new range of PET cans and jars. In this range, we are providing long PET caps in various colors. We are primarily manufacturers of PET cans and jars in Jaipur and in Hyderabad. We make these jars for various products. Advantage of these PET can jars is that it can be sealed with the easy operant, induction vat, aluminum foil. This way, it can cater to all customers who require any form of sealing. It can be used for various products like dry fruits, pickles, snacks, trail mixes, spices, etc. Especially for gifting purpose, these cans can be used. Various sizes will be available from 200 ml to 450 ml. For more information, please contact us. Contact details are mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.